Hello everyone. We're going to do a little live trading session. So remember, based on our strategy, what we're looking for is uh, like this. Okay. If you see this candle, you have a rejection of the 9 EMA, and then a bullish candle. Or the opposite the direction, we're looking for a rejection and a bearish candle. Okay, this is very easy. This is the 5 EMA, this is the 9 EMA. This is what we are looking for. I'm trying to do it with you live right now. Let's see if we're lucky to find any good setup. The gold right now appears to go down. This is a reverse rejection. We might can take this candle if it will close bearish. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, we have to give it some space. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, so right now this is a reversal bearish candle. Okay, and this is a bearish candle. So if we have this kind of setup, we can go, we can enter the deal. We are on the 1 minute chart, so opportunities keep coming all the time. You don't have to wait much. You can make very easily money, but you have to understand that you can't. You have to be careful when you're using this strategy. You have to give it some space. Okay, you can even move my stop loss even over here. Okay, because it's very very dangerous. It can go up and then down. We are trying to stay safe. We can use a very tight stop loss. That's true, but it's quite dangerous. I've used this strategy for so long, and I know that sometimes the market can go, just for a second to take your profit, your stop loss, and then continue down. So depend on your mentality. If you want to take low risk trades, do it. Okay, it's okay. If you have more patience, I think it's worth it. So you need to wait a little bit longer to put your stop loss a little bit higher, and then most of the time the strategy will work. The strategy works about 70% of the time. Actually, you have to use this strategy very carefully. What you should do is actually open two trades. Okay, one, you need to close with one to one risk, and then after you get to one risk, you can move your stop loss to break even. Your second stop loss, you move to break even and let the trade run until a change happens. I mean, the 5 EMA crosses the 9 EMA, and then you can get out of the trade. You can catch very, very, very big moves like this one. Okay, you can cut this move from here to here. Okay, so it's very, very profitable and very, very easy. The thing that I like about it is that you don't have to analyze the market too much. It's very easy to understand. Anyone can apply it with few minutes. You just go, you apply the 5 EMA and the 9 EMA, and then you put your favorite pairs, which allows you to take the least spreads, because the spreads are very, very important in this strategy, and you have to choose a good broker, and then the strategy works about 70% of the time. But 70% of the time, even 60 or 70% of the time, it's very good because you are taking two trades. One, you're putting to one risk, and the other one, you are allowing to go on and on and on until a change happens. And then you can catch huge, huge, huge waves, and then you make the big profit. Okay? So, overall, this is a very good strategy. I recommend it very much. I made a short video about it, and I think anyone can apply this strategy. I just had it with technical analysis and breaking my head all the time what my market will gonna do. Will it work? Will it not work? I had it. I really had it. So I've used this strategy. I found it very, very useful and helpful. And I recommend everyone to use this strategy. You can use this strategy as a beginner. It's very easy. It's not something that you have to put too much effort in learning and applying. You just open your computer, the MetaTrader 4 or 5, whichever your favorite. You put your favorite pairs already spread in front of you, and you do your thing. You know, it's just so easy. You see, I don't have too many pairs open because the other pairs just they have higher spreads, so I don't want to take the other pairs because the spread can really, really, really make a difference. If you don't have a good broker who gives you high spreads, you'll be out of the strategy of your trade all the time just because of the spread. Okay, okay, so this is it. It looks like we hit take profit. Let's see if we'll hit the take profit. Okay, okay. I'll take this trade. As you can see, very easy, very quickly. I did it. I had a rejection and a bearish bar, or for the opposite direction, a rejection and a bullish bar. Okay, and then you see, as you see, I took profit. Just repeat, repeat this strategy all the time, and you see that finally you can understand the market. Finally, you don't have to look on the 1 hour chart, the daily chart. You can make money all day long. When the market opens till the market closes, you can make money all day long. You don't want to trade at night or at sometimes when the sessions are very slow, although you can, but you just want to be in and out of the market very quickly. Okay, so this is it for today. Very glad you joined me on this session, this successful session. um, apply this strategy. Okay, it's very easy to try, and you'll see it's very easy to make money with. Thank you for watching. See you soon.